one angle.
So what I will say here and answer that uh, that when you want to make somebody receptive, you have to lend your ears. That means you have to listen to that person, even if that person does not make sense to you. You have to listen to. Once you listen to him or her, they will listen to you. Once they tell everything about what their concerns are, that means you are paying respect to that person's concern. So they become slowly tolerant to whatever we are going to say. So that is a kind of reciprocative thing. Generally, it works. Uh, but most of the time, we do not have the patience to listen because we know that person is talking rubbish. The patient can always talk rubbish, and or something which will not make sense to us. But that does not mean that we will not listen, because our ears that we have are a pair of ears. Our mouth is only one, so we have to listen more and talk less. Once we have heard him or her, they will definitely lend their ears. Okay, but it will not happen very quickly, it will take time. Now relationship is a very long term, it does not, relationship does not go wrong in one uh, you know suddenly. It takes time, it is a long term thing that there are a lot of impressions of accumulated resentments and disagreements that cause relationship issue. So we have to, whenever you, why people avoid it, to settle it down, because whenever we enter into those issues, people go and dig their old memory, and all the discomforts that they have, they will come out with. It may really look something awkward, why we are talking something which has happened 10, 20 years back. But you can imagine anything that goes wrong in relationship, that does not get erased from the memory. It will be there, even if it is a small thing according to you. That person or the circumstances in which that has been discussed will have caused deep hurt. So that needs to be settled. So the easiest way to settle with those past unforgettable events which has created an impression is to say, I'm sorry if that has happened inadvertently. It will not happen again. So saying sorry is the very quick way to settle the past. But it is easier said than done. We ourselves, it's very difficult for us to say sorry. Or I love you is another very good way to settle the score. Uh, but it is our again duty to make sure that those events are not repeated. And mm, what we do is we simultaneously do some healing on the past. This is in our heart, because if we keep conversing or talking, that will take longer time. But while we are talking, we start healing our uh, all the old garbage using the pranic healing technique. That means you are clearing the garbage from solar plexus or ajna chakra or back heart chakra. These are the areas where it gets accumulated. Then it will not be much time taking, it will be fast, it can be quicker. Does it answer your question, or you have anything that bothers you still, Alika ji?
That's a uh, good lead in. Thank you.
Okay. So no, that's fine. So I thought it's better to analyze it.